Today I'm going to be hygienic some Air Force 1 highs. So yeah, let's go. As you can see, I've already done the lows quite a few times. Got 3 pairs right here, but I've never once tried to do the highs, so I figured let me go ahead and try and do the highs. I'm going to be using light blue and dark grey. Let's go. Now the shoes are taped up, it's time to spray them with primer. Now the shoes are fully primed, they're ready to be dipped. So the colours I'm going to be using are blue and light grey. The shoes are primed and ready to be dipped, so let's just get straight into spraying. The first dip is ready to go, so now I'm going to go ahead and do the left shoe first, and I'm going to dip the shoes in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Okay, let's see what they look like then. Whoa! Whoa! Oh my gosh. Bro, they look like grey and blue zebra Air Force shoes. Bro, these are the craziest ones I've done so far. That was so unexpected. This one's completely done then. I'm going to put it down to the side to dry. I'm going to clean out the water and then I'm going to spray for the second shoe. So this is what the second dip looks like. I've got the right shoe ready to go. It's been primed, it's ready to be dipped in. I'm going to go ahead and dip it in now 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Let's see what they look like then. Whoa! They really do look like zebra, it's like blue and grey zebra. Kind of looks really, I think it looks pretty sick. It's not as complicated as all the other ones that I've done. There's not that many colours going on, but I did think like the grey and blues and stuff will go well with the grey swoosh. But yeah, this is what the second shoe looks like completely done. I'm going to put it to the side with the first shoe, wait for them to dry, and then I'm going to come back, take the tape off, lace them up, and then show you what they look like completely finished. So this is what they look like completely finished then. I think they turned out pretty sick in my opinion. Usually I usually go like 3-4ish colours, but I only used 2 colours this time and they came out looking exactly like this. It kind of has like this ghost look effect. It looks like ghosty, like I thought it looked like zebra at first, but now it kind of looks like a ghost. I did actually end up painting the swoosh white as well because I felt like there was just way too much grey going on. But yeah, this is what they look like completely finished in. As always, make sure to let me know down in the comment section below what you think of them. Would you rock them? Would you wear them? Make sure to let me know in the comment section below. Today's comment shout out goes to Logan. Thank you for watching. If you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, and if you did enjoy the video, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out. Peace.
I'm on a new level, headed to another league. This will never stop. My future looks overseas. I'm on a new level. Check out the blueprint. I'm rocking Gucci, mixed match with Givenchy. I'm on a new level, so see if I can neutral it. Just like it's Nike, may I just do it.